Welcome to HaveFunLetsTravel. I'm Jeremy. Today I'm going to show you a way to save money on tickets and season passes so you don't make the first mistake that most people make. Silver Dollar City ticket lines can get very long at times, and by purchasing your tickets or season passes online so you don't have to wait in line will not only save you time, it'll also save you money. I'll place a link in the description where you can buy your tickets online, but before you buy your tickets, there are a few things that you should know. Hershend Entertainment is the world's largest family-owned themed attractions company with more than 24 properties and brands. By having a Silver Dollar City Season Pass, you can get discounts of up to 50% off at any of these. These properties include Adventure Aquarium, Callaway Resort and Gardens, Dolly Parton Stampede, Dollywood, Dollywood Splash Country, Kentucky Kingdom Theme Park and Water Park, Newport Aquarium, Silver Dollar City, Silver Dollar City's Whitewater, Splash Island Water Park, the Showboat Branson Belle, Vancouver Aquarium, Wild Adventures Theme Park, and several more. You can also save money on tickets for the Harlem Globetrotters and when you take a ride on the Pink Jeep Tours. You can also get discounts on lodging. Now let me break things down for you a little. Currently, a single-day ticket to Silver Dollar City for ages 12 and up is $92, while a Silver Season Pass is only $159. If you visit Silver Dollar City just 2 days during the year, buying 2 daily tickets will cost you $184. But if you have a Silver Season Pass, you will have already saved $25. And by having a Season Pass, you get lots of discounts at the park. You also get savings of up to 50% off at any of their other properties and other special discounts around the areas. You can pay for your season pass in full, or you can pay for it in 6 monthly installments. So, it just makes sense to buy a season pass, especially if you plan on visiting Silver Dollar City more than just a single day, or if you plan on visiting any other of their properties. There are 3 different season passes as you can see here. I buy the Diamond Season Pass for $285 for myself due to I'm at the park all the time. This pass includes unlimited visits to Silver Dollar City and Whitewater, 7 free Bring Along Friend tickets, 20% off food, and if I need more guest tickets, they're only $25 each instead of $92 each. Also included in the Diamond Pass is a souvenir cup for free or discounted drinks on the day that you get your cup. But I have another money-saving hack for free drinks all season long in the free drinks video. In a year, the savings alone is normally a lot more than I paid for my season pass. While I get the Diamond Pass, Brenda and the kids always get a Silver Pass for $165 so they too can get unlimited visits to the park. We've been doing this for years and it has always worked in our favor. Once you get your tickets online, watch your email. You'll receive your digital tickets within minutes of your purchase. I always print the entire email and put it in an envelope for safekeeping. I also save the email so I have it both digital and hard copy. Once you arrive at the park on your first visit, you'll need to visit Guest Services Building, which is located just before the entry gate Turnstiles. This is where you'll show them your email to receive your physical card. Be sure to read each of your Bring a Friend tickets closely for the dates that they are valid. There are some days during the year that these aren't valid. Check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. And if you know anyone that's headed to Silver Dollar City, be sure to share that tips page with them too. Now if you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate you hitting the like button before you go to let me know you enjoyed it. It helps me more than you know. Now that you have your tickets or season passes, what about parking? Is parking free or do you have to pay to park? That's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends.